Has anyone ever said, I'm super fearful or I'm anxious? I'm really anxious about that. That's just me. I'm just an anxious person. And we often talk about this a lot just in our program in
Yeah.
general, but
Yeah.
that is a negative thought process. And we want to try and teach you to remove yourself from that. It's just a feeling. You are feeling anxious, but you are not
Mhm.
anxious. You are feeling fearful. You're not fearful. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense to you guys listening. But fear is false, and it's that false evidence but appearing real. And that's what
Mm.
Toby mentioned before. It's a feeling, but it's almost like a passing cloud. It's going to leave you. It doesn't define who you are. So it's important that you don't use that language that defines that as you.
Oh my God, I love that. I have never thought of it like that. Linguistics is such an important part of your recovery, not just with movement, actually, but with life in general. People stuck in their lives and they're stuck with their linguistics, their language. This is just how it is. It's who I am. I'm just an unlucky person. And they carry this story, this language with them that is an imprint and blueprint of their life because their behaviors follow their language and therefore nothing great changes. And yeah, I absolutely love that as like, I am not my fear. In fact, we
Yeah.
hear this a lot from people who aren't in our program and they say, my chronic fatigue syndrome is in the way. And my first thought there and my first invitation is it really yours anyway? Do you have to call it yours or is it just an experience that you're experiencing? And some people hold on to it like it's their identity, like my chronic fatigue syndrome's this, and it's like they're holding on to it. Whereas imagine if we didn't say that and we would say, I'm experiencing this situation and I'm open to possibilities and looking to explore on things that would help me move forwards and let go of that so I can live a new life.